Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here for solving this important question on most demand of students. This is a question differentiate with respect to x. This question, and you can see this is a quotient rule according to quotient rule. But before differentiate this question, first you can remove square root from a denominator. You should remove from a denominator, okay? And for removing the square root from denominator, you know it multiply or divide with its conjugate. This is called rationalization. So rationalize the denominator first, then question become easy. 1 plus x 1 minus x multiply and divide with the conjugate of a denominator, and the denominator is 1 plus x square root plus x 1 minus x square root. It means its conjugate is 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. 1 this one multiply and divide with a same number, same term, which is conjugate of denominator. Okay students, then multiply this numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, and it means this one multiply, both terms are same. It means 1 plus x whole square, sorry, square root minus 1 minus x square root, same. It means it becomes a whole square, and denominator 1 plus x 1 plus x, 1 minus x 1 minus x. This is a plus, this is minus, both are conjugate of each other. So we can use a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. It means 1 plus x square root square minus 1 minus x square. Okay student, in numerator we apply whole square formula, and denominator separate difference of a squares. Students, square roots remove and then apply a minus b whole square according to formula 1 plus x square root square, first term square plus second term square minus 2ab. It means first and second term. And divided by square root remove, it means 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. And in numerator 2 cancel out with square root cancel, and remaining terms 1 plus x 1 minus x minus 2, and these are two terms multiply with each other. 1 plus x you can write in this form, in a single square root form, in a single radical form. Open this bracket, 1 plus x minus, due to negative sign becomes change, minus minus plus, and you cancel out the remaining terms. Minus x plus x cancel with each other. Similarly 1 minus x cancel with each other, and then final result is 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 square root 1 plus x, 1 minus x. Student, again formula we use in this in straight form, 1 square minus x square, 1 minus x, and divided by x plus x, 2x, 2 common and divided by 2, it means cancel, and then final result is 1 minus square root 1 minus x divided by 2x. 2 into 2 cancel out, and this is the final result. Is this a final result of a question? No. Now only find the result of this question in rationalized denominator form, rationalized form question. Now start differentiate. Differentiate this question means differentiate this question, this form. This and this both are equal form, so I can say that this question is equal to 1 minus x divided by x, square. Yeah. Okay students, understand, I hope you understand this point, this topic, formula use, which formula I here use, which formula, and then rationalize the final result, this question. When you rationalize, the result is very simple, and now it is easy to differentiate as compared to this one. When you apply quotient rule of differentiation on this form, you can face very difficult steps or difficulties, but when you apply it on this, it is easy for you. Now start then. Now let's start to differentiate this. Differentiate with respect to this, it means differentiate this one. Question is 1 minus x square divided by x, and according to quotient rule, you can use quotient rule. Denominator as it is, and derivative of numerator 1 minus numerator as it is, 1 minus x square into derivative of denominator x, and divided by square of denominator. Yes. Okay, you can easily solve this question. X as it is, and then derivative of this, derivative of this, derivative of 1 and derivative of this. Derivative of 1, you know, derivative of 1 is a constant, so it is 0 minus, and the derivative of this function is, I can just start 1 minus x square. In a previous lecture we discussed this, power 1 by 2 minus 1, and power, it becomes a multiple square with into this one is apply power rule. Square root power, square root means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 it become a multiple, and 1 by 2 minus 1, and then apply inside the derivative of this function. Only this step is difficult for you, but all question is very simple. And then negative 1 minus x square, and the derivative of x is equal to 1. Yes, here student, this is only a single step which problematical, otherwise all question become very simple or easy. X, here 1 minus x square raised to power minus 1 by 2 divided by 2 negative, and then derivative solve 0 minus 2x. You can only write only 2x, no problem. And here 1 minus x square. See students, 0 minus 2x, 0 minus 2x means only 2x. Okay, 0 is not necessary, so 0 can remove, and it's a multiple with each other. It means 2 cancel with this 2, and negative, it means it becomes a plus, positive sign. So what is the remaining term? X, 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means in denominator form, and this first x square. Okay, and 1 minus x square negative power, it becomes denominator 1 minus x square. Okay, understand? X into x square, and this factor due to negative power it becomes a denominator, and this 1 minus x square, and yes, is a fractional form, so it take LCM and solve the question. Final remaining term, yes student, first take LCM, LCM form. LCM is 1 minus x square, and it multiples with this one, and remaining x square as it is, and then whole divide with x square, and these x square into 1 minus x square both are denominator, then it can be written in form multiples. Here student, this both are becomes multiple. X square you can write in this form, 1 minus x square. Okay, because this is a divide and this is also divide, then both becomes a multiples of denominators. Okay student, this, and open the bracket and simplify the final result, then x square minus, when this radical term multiply this, it becomes 1 minus x square. When multiply 1, minus minus plus, plus, and 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, it becomes the whole square. And square root remove. Okay student, you can see x 1 minus x square root multiply with x square root, then final result x square 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square. And x square cancel with each other, and your final result is 1 minus x square over x square into 1 minus x square. Yes student, this is the final result, 1 minus square root 1 minus x square divided by x square into 1 minus x square, and this is our final result. I hope you understand this topic, this lecture. It is very important and very critical question, so therefore it becomes a lengthy. You can see any step, all step understanding, and then if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Okay students, thanks for watching. Take care.